2015 Chevy Camaro V6. This is the one that did circles when it left last time. We'll see what he'll do this time. He brought it back. It was a little bit too loud. He wanted it to tone it down a little bit, give it a little bit more deeper sound. So this is what we did on it. We got 4 converters, as you guys can see them, there and there. Then we did a mid resonator delete right there a while back. And then he ordered some Vibrant stainless steel resonators, standard bottle style, part number VIB 1792. And we put them in the middle, right there, nice and shiny, as you guys can see. And then it's continued true dual all the way back, straight pipe, there and there. That was done a long time ago. I don't think we did it, somebody else did it. But we're probably gonna talk him into changing those up too. He needs them, it's about time for him. He's got that massive wing. But there they are, that's the Vibrants right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy Camaro V6. That's better. It's more toned now. A little bit toned. Woohoo! Oh my God. We need something in the back, man. We need some Dynamax race bolts in the back. Again? 118, bro. That's loud. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, we gotta redo the back. I looked at them and they're rough. We gotta clean them up for you. Whenever you're ready, just holler at us. I think it put either Dynamax bullets or even some Vibrant ones, but a little bit bigger to tone down that rasp in it, to clean up the sound more. But it sounds good at idle now. It's not as bad. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Camaro 2014 ZL1 bumper. What are you doing, man? Get in on my shot.
Get in what?